Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Charlie's Custom Clones. So feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Get them while they're in stock. They are specialty clone items. Charlie's Custom Clones. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. I'm thinking scissors. So it might be out of view for a second here. Okay, the starting opening. Let's see if we have a manifest. We believe so. Let's lay out what we got here. I think that's everything. So, packing slip. Let's see if we can get that logo in the view. Charlie's Custom Clones. So, for your reference. Oh, it's also on the packages as well. So, let's start off with two of these. And, oh, we got stickers. Cool. Mil-Spec A1 Retro M16 grip. You see barcode there. Through the package. Does not come with the screw. I think that's how it was listed. But you can see smooth grip area as opposed to the finger bump. If you can see through to the bottom there, you can see where the hole for the mounting point would be, and the screw as well as the washer. Here's the detent spring hole, and this is where it would attach. So two of those. Mil-Spec A1 Retro M16 grip. A1s. Next up, we have a Mil-Spec M16 3-prong flash hider retro barcode. So you can see through there we have 3 prongs, reminiscent of the duckbill flash hider, but different. These are actually thicker as opposed to the duckbill, which actually has a shelf and are actually thinner in profile and not as durable against rough handling and abuse, versus this style is more reinforced. So the M16 3-prong flash hider retro, but I would say like evolved generation. Next up, oh, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. So, we actually have a Advanced Armament Corp Blackout Breakout Flash Hider Tool. You see there, it's also attached with a torque wrench, looks like, or just a ratchet wrench. This one we can get readily open. And let's see if we have a match. I'll go ahead and open this right now. Do we have a match? Well, hopefully we will have enough grip surface to get this properly mounted. So, as well, let's go over these stickers. Here we have a Charlie's Custom Clones, kind of a reticle sticker there, if you see the markings. We have a Colt sticker, revolvers, automatic pistols, machine guns. Colt's Patent Firearms Manufacturing Company, established 1836, Hartford, Connecticut. And then we have a business card with a QR code. Tell us how we did. A little bonus offering there. So, working our way backwards, we have an Advanced Armament Corp Blackout Breakout Flash Hider Tool. We have a M16 3-prong Flash Hider Retro. And we also have 2 of the Mil-Spec A1 Retro M16 grips, so no finger bump. These all came from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items to help with your clone builds or just collection in general, because they do have full complete items. Charlie's Custom Clones. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.